from Uma Devi Children's Academy. I am Navdeep Kaur and we are going to learn computers. Students, today we will do the worksheet of chapter number 1 to 4. Okay? But before starting the video, make sure that you are using your phone in the landscape mode. You are sitting in a quiet place. You are sitting in a good network connectivity area. Use headphones for better sound quality and sit with all your essential stationery. Are you all ready? Okay. Today we will do the worksheet. Okay. So open your book and open page number 41. Page number 41. If you are not sitting with your book, pause the video and bring your books and stationery. Let's begin. Okay. Worksheet of chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4. Page number 41. Okay. First, we have to do fill in the blank. First part is the large area where you can type in MS Word is called dash area. What you call that area where you type the text and it is the largest area? It is known as work area. Very good. Next is the most common input devices that we use are dash and dash. What are input devices? The devices that are used to give the instruction to the computer, right? So what are the input devices? You have scanner, you have webcam, keyboard, mouse, all these are different input devices, है ना? So you can write the names of any two devices, okay? Okay, you can write the name of your choice, okay? Next is the dash tool is selected by default in Tux Paint. We have used Tux Paint now. So which tool is selected by default? When you open the window of Tux Paint, which tool is already selected there? It is Paint now. Paint tool is by default selected in Tux Paint. Next is there are mainly two types of software, dash and dash. What are the different types of software? We have application software and system software, right? So we will write here. Next is in Tux Paint, the stamp tool is used to add dash to your drawing. What do you do with this stamp tool? You can add a stamp to your drawing, right? So, a stamp tool is used to add stamps to the drawing, right? So, we will write here stamp. Next is true and false. The fill tool is a sub-tool of the paint tool in Tux Paint. Is it so? Is a fill tool the sub-paint of any tool or it is an independent tool? It is an independent tool. It does not have any sub-tools or it is not even the sub-tool of any other tool. Okay? So this is false. Next is you cannot change the position of desktop icons. Can you change the position of the icons on the desktop? You can. You can change the position of the icons, right? You can drag the icons anywhere on the screen. Okay? So this is false. You can change the position of the icons on the desktop. Next is a penguin is the mascot of Tux Paint. What is the mascot in Tux Paint, like the representative? It is penguin. So this is true. Next is the song that we listen from a CD is hardware. What is a software and what is hardware? Hardware are all the parts of the computer that you can touch and see, right? And software is you cannot touch the software, okay? Right? So the song, can you touch the songs on the CD? Can you touch CD first of all? Tell me, can you touch CD? Yes, you can touch. So it is a hardware device. Okay? And the songs that are played in the from the CD, can you touch them? Can you see the songs? You can only hear them, right? You cannot see or touch it. So it is a software part. It is not a hardware part. CD is a hardware, but the songs that are played in the CD, that is a software. Okay? So this is false. Next is the taskbar is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. Where is the taskbar? It is at the bottom of the screen, right? Title bar is at the top and taskbar is at the bottom. Like the bar that is from the start button to till here, where the time is displayed. It's all that bar is the taskbar. Okay. So this is true. It is at the bottom of the desktop. Next is we cannot change the background of a computer once it is saved. Is this so? You can change the background as many times as you want, right? So this is false. Next we have multiple choice questions. Dash is the main storage device in a computer. Which is the main storage device in the computer? The hard disk, right? All the data of the computer, temporary or permanent, is stored in the hard disk of the computer. So the main storage device is hard disk. Option number B. Next is monitor, printer, keyboard and mouse are the most commonly used devices in the computer lab. They all are what? What are all these devices? They are hardware, software, hardware and software both or none of these. Which option is correct? They all are hardware devices. Why? Because you can touch them, you can see them, you can see the printer, the mouse, the keyboard, the monitor. So all these are hardware devices. Okay. So we will write the first option, hardware, is correct. Okay. Next is quick launch toolbar is present on the dash. What is quick launch toolbar? We have learned about quick access toolbar. Na? It is present here in the title bar in the above, right? And what is quick launch toolbar? Have you ever seen some of the icons here along with the start button? Some icons are placed here, right? So that you can open them quickly, right? You can you do not have to press the start button and find for the tools, find for the icons. You can simply launch them from the taskbar, right? So all that is known as quick launch toolbar. Okay, and where it is located? It is located in the taskbar. Near the start button, all these icons are displayed. Okay, you can simply click on the icon and open anything. Okay, the quick launch toolbar is present on the taskbar. A option is correct. Taskbar. Let's move to the next page. Page number 42. Okay, first is double-headed arrow, four-headed arrow and a beam are all different shapes of cursor, taskbar, mouse pointer or desktop wallpaper. Have you seen a four-headed arrow sometimes? Four-headed arrow आता है जब आपको कुछ चीज बड़ा करना होता है ना? So all these are the different shapes of the mouse pointer. Okay, option number C, mouse pointer. See in your book, the image is not clear now, it's not readable even, you can see in your book. Okay. Next is the dash tool is used to draw straight lines and patterns in tuck paint. Which tool is used to draw the lines in the tuck paint? It is line tool. Okay. Option number C, line tool. Next, answer in one word. What is hardware? What is hardware? All the devices that you can touch are known as hardware devices. Okay? Then what is Windows? Windows, what is Windows? Windows is an operating system. Okay? You cannot even open or start the computer without Windows. Okay? Without an operating system. Operating system is very important if you want to work on computer, if you want to start a computer. Okay? So Windows is an operating system. Okay? Without it, computer is nothing. Okay? It is just a box. Okay? What do we call the image that pops up on the screen whenever the computer remains idle for a short time? When a computer is, you do not work on computer, it is idle. After a few seconds or after a few minutes, which image pops up on the screen? An image without any icon. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? That is screensaver. Okay, what is it? Screensaver. ठीक है? You have to do all these questions on your own in your own language. Okay. Next is, which shortcut key is used to print a file? You can print a file using which shortcut key? Control plus P. Okay. Control plus P. Next is, which key will you press to select non-adjacent items? If you have to select non-adjacent items means कि जो आइटम साथ में एक साथ प्लेस नहीं है, लाइक कोई यहाँ है, कोई वहाँ है, कोई यहाँ है. If they are placed like these are the items. Okay. If you have to select these three items, you can simply press the mouse's left button and drag it, right? But if you have to select this item, and this item, what will you do? Can you drag the mouse? अगर आप drag करोगे तो ये सारे के सारे select हो जाएंगे. What will you do? How will you select these items? You will simply click the control key on the keyboard. इसको press करो. Do not release the control key. Okay? फिर इस पे क्लिक कर दो. जितने भी adjacent items को पास नहीं भी पड़े हुए हैं, उनको भी you can select in this way. You can press the control key and press on the adjacent items. They all will be selected. Okay? और अगर आप control key नहीं press करते हो, then what will happen? When you will click on this, it will be selected. Okay? When you will click on this item, ये तो select हो जाएगा, लेकिन ये हट जाएगा. ठीक है? It will be no more selected. ठीक है? If you have to select all the adjacent items, what you will have to do? You will have to press the control key. Okay? So which key you will press? Control key. CTRL. Okay? Now answer the following questions. Write down any 4 features of word processor. Okay? What are the different features of word processor? You can create reports, newsletters, bills, etc. Right? You can move, cut, copy, paste the different items. You can insert graphics. You can insert clip art. Right? So all these are the different features of MS Word. We have learnt about it in so much detail. So I think you can do it on your own. Okay, na? Now, what is system software, and give an example. What is the system software? System software is a set of programs that controls the overall working of the computer, right? What are the different system softwares? Operating system, it is also system software, na? है ना? So, system software controls the overall working of the computer. Okay? You have to write the answer on your own. That's all. The worksheet is completed. Okay? Now your homework is you have to read chapter number 6, Animation in Scratch. We have completed Scratch programming now. Now you know what is Scratch. Now you have to read this chapter number 6, Animation in Scratch. In the next video, We will start this chapter, animations in Scratch. I will tell you how you can make animations in Scratch programming. Okay? That's all for today. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.